Peterson thinks we're linked to father's death. And Ekamo, he's closing in.
What's going to Peterson? Tla meka na le. Ke kopa o tsamaye. O lo meka na le. Ngaka ya hao yena le fetwa.
Leo se para koro boche orna. Chedi draga dichwa yuanka kamborenga au dinyaka e.
Okay. Get ready, I'm listening.
Dirase kabaka la ore. Kana le monyakela bophelo bo bokao.
Tla moloto le batho ba bereka yena ba se ba se dirang. O tlo thushega. Ma please.
What the hell is this? No,
Look, you guys, I have no choice. I'm scared I'll lose my job. I've decided to resign. It's alone if you're looking at me. It's like what I'm at my cheek. I want to keep a dignity.
And what would be your reasons?
My reason would be I would meet or get to a gym or to come home, Lauren, I get due diligence. And Kisona is young or Tefai shall my mama.
What did you really mean?
No, to tell the truth, I did not know that this person was a convicted criminal. No, for violent crimes. I didn't know. Oh yeah, and there's one last step that I should have taken that I didn't take.
The one last step, Sifi?
Begi sunjiba ka majority fingerprints ke dirometše go face or ba kgone mo verify gore ke yena ka nnete na. Yeah, well, ke mo rometše email mara ke lebetše go dira follow up mo emailing ye.
So, o nyaka go ba fa resignation ya letter ya gago le hono. Ba bona re ka ba emisha go ka tswela pele ka hearing ya gago le hono.
Yeah, I can do it by the end of today. Though I need testimony from Mr. Q, because with him, everything was done above board.
Skeem, Masika, wow, Fika, yeah. Skeem, Skeem, saam.
Baby, this is way better than your usual.
Well, ma di pija ga fane ka di phiri tša gago.
Oh? That's all.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Okay. Seems like it's a good day today. So, cupcakes for breakfast. Beke gopela a day before school. Maybe I can take 2-3 more just for school.
Ka letšatši la gago la matswalo fela pitse, okay?
No, but maybe you can just have one before we... Okay?
Super soft.
And?
Mom, these are the best.
Yeah, very secret ingredients.
Hey, lena ba babedi le tlo latelwa go ya sekolong a kere. So, a re sepeleng?
Re tlo sepela.
Yeah, but maybe not now.
A ke nyake a babysitter. Ebe sa nyaka go ntlogela ke le one, I can't take her.
Ma, nna kwa mmerekong tla be ke le ko ops and gynae today, so mmereko bona so much. And after lunch, either way, ke admin fela.
Ke a leboga ge le hlokometse bana ba ka.
Ma, le na le bonnete jwa goreng le tla ba gabotse.
Le se tshwenyege ka nna bana ba ka.
I survived kwizinto ezinkulu.
No, ha ona Oliver le ring nna ke se ka batla ke nna tla telephone la ke le check. Sure, baby.
Okay, my love.
Wa se ba ke a ipotsisha gore ga botsebotse go direga eng mo Charlie a le go gona sis.
Nora, se wa se gwame ka silo. Wena so shantse go tseba fela ke gore Kunutu o ga botse.
Wa se ba batho ba go nyamella ka mokgwa o. Ke moka ba boa e le dingaka tša ditaola. Se ka re ka go botsa se.
O motho a mohuta man Nora. Ko ona makonya ka go tsama wa fafatša mo strateng a ke. Kunutu o magaeng o ile go tlhapishiwa ke phetho ke tu.
Le go no go bolela le bona gane.
E be le fela fa motsotsonyana ngwanaka. Malome a go tšere mogala pele ke bolela dilo tše dintši. E fela ba ga botse. Ba ga botse ngwanaka bana ba latela di melaonyana fela e itseng a ke.
Okay. Ke tla leba. Okay. Ke go pela le mpotse go fisa mo sa di aga. Thank you. I stop.
Shame. Any idea on how you're settling into rehab?
Abasekhaya bazombona ngoLwesihlanu. And then only then they'll know. Nami bengicabanga ukuthi ngibajoyine ukuyombona.
Okay.
Awufuna ukuhamba nathi?
I don't think it's a good idea for me to join you guys on the first visit. Maybe the next one. No?
Uqinile ukumbona uLauren. Ngisho e-Lego cafe.
Any? Hey, I'm sure, yes. Sakhumbuli. Why?
Hayi bengicabanga nje ukuthi mhlambe kumele ngixoxe naye ngalolu suku wasindisa ngayo impilo kaClement, you know?
No, I don't think you should, Pretty. I mean, it's just gonna be weird. Wombiza nge Jezebel sning. And now ufuna ukumfonela. You guys haven't spoken in a while. It'll just be weird for you to just call now. Think about it. Hey.
Baby, have you forgotten that this woman saved your life? And manje sekasindise nempilo kaClement. I don't know, but if you ask me, maybe this is a sign. There's something greater at play here. And I just need to get to know her better. So, Nina ngizomfonela on my way to work. And wena, I'm gonna see you later.
Okay.
Have you?
Ke gopela gore nkgopelele tshwarelo go leeto. Like, it's just that Fenso over a little bit not so okay sometimes.
Oh, man, it's got to okay.
No, but ke tshwenyegile ka yona, babe. Gape ga ke nyaka gore a nagane gore ke lekile go mo set up or something.
No, I doubt gore o feel bad. I mean, he was already saying gore now feel bad for jumping to conclusions, getting intentions jara.
But I also ga ke nyaka gore a nagane gore ke leka go mo merekisha just go khumana di views wa bona. That's not me.
Okay. Yeah, no, go lokile. Ke tla bolela le yena.
Ka leboga. And o no tseba gore nna ga ke tlhoke go phula distance tsa go se tsebalege when I've got people like Nteba B coming to my podcast go raise the views jaaka, so I don't need those.
Nteba B.
How much? Yo, okay. She is a renowned businesswoman, babe, and a reality TV star. The only thing o money fame ya gage from being like a lady of the night kwa Joburg. But narana, Tibos narana, fela gape she's coming all the way from Joburg. Go tla go ba mo podcasting yaka. Yo, this is going to change the whole trajectory. Your podcast yaka is going to put me on international levels. Yeah.
Well, one thing for sure. Ke gantsha ka wena. Come here.
Ka leboga babe. And ke leboga support ya gago ka.
Always.
Okay.
I have no choice but to resign. Yeah, I have to. I consider I'm from Nka confess, but it don't pack about to I am to felt it later on go.
Alfred.
Yeah.
I'm moving Nah, Loena together.
No, we won't. We can't. No, we win already. This is not even about Evelyn. It's bigger than her. I never possible. I will tell you, man.
No, you guys not give up like that.
No.
You guys give up.
Get that me fella. Ke sentse ka process ya vetting ka shome. That's it.
I want to need you to say.
I have to do that. At least but I'll drop a case if I do that. And then maybe after this dust settles, like I can talk to God, you know, about this. Department of Health.
What's that? There's just something about doing something, sailing or serum that just leaves such a bitter taste.
I didn't create the system. I'm just part of it.
hle monna ke hloka ho bona hao
o tla mpona qeta ho lokisa bohlaswa bona kaofela bona e lokela ho tsamaya
ma
Yeah, this is a surprise. Le buile gape le tlo shumela mo ke le hone.
Oh, well, if you must know, the office is a bit tense, and so I'll better get.
Sure, I can imagine. Le nna ke rata go bereka ko meeting room. E fela yo meeting room ya rana e hectic. A se ka hearing.
I was called in today to come and testify.
How?
Yeah.
O reng ba sa lo fetsa taba e ka go nomoraka?
Carol.
Ka mo ka re a tseba gore Alfred o molato.
Mem koma. Ona le bonnete ba se se bolela.
Sudi, bana no ra tseba gore mothako o la ke moradio.
Ke a kwishisha ya. Ga botse o sana le segopi ka taba ela go se fiwe poso ya go ba motlatsa tlhoga sekolo. Ga go bjana.
Seletiso, o ile wa ipusha gore go baneng yona poseo ke sa e hwetša. Mothakela o nyakile shunya tša ka potleng.
Awa. Colleagues, no. If kannete principal na le motho nka di bribe. I mean, he should have asked for a bribe from me, right? But he didn't. I'm sorry, but nah. I don't think the principal is like that. So forgive me, but I can't see him as a guilty person. Sorry.
Q, what's ba a ke rate o dumellana le Carol. E fela mo na le moshi, go na le mollo.
Dankie.
ke tlo bona Clement.
Hey, Satan, where man? Ralukela khule lisitlogolo saka. Awukho enough. Ukuthi umthatheni wamfaka shiqi kuma drugs.
Nna. Awa mana sina ke mo fakeng shiqi o ma drugs.
Una le maka mane.
Nna ntse o tlogele Gauteng a goga diritibatsi. A ke le botse maka Clement e be le yena a mphonelang gore ke mmyakantseng sengwenyana sa go goga go ba tsone diritibatsi. Nna le yena ang invite gore ke tsamaye le na ready party ka mme a ntswetse ke a ikana a se nna ke rutile Clement di drugs.
Anyway, why ungayihlalela ngitshwaleni? Kunokuthi ungena futhi nakuma drugs. uClement use rehab.
Rehab, yes. No my way. Clement ba go shetse go senyegile ka mogo.
What do you think? Now nje ungahambi uyongena khona le rehab.
Awa magape nna ga ke le goba. Ke feditse weekend ka moka ke tlhapogetswe ka ge ke kule gore Clement o sepetlele. Le ka morago ga gore moithuti o moti wa first year wa TEF varsity a tlhokofale ka morago ga overdose. Seo se mputse mahlo. No way, Clement. Jalo o tlo boyaneng.
Nka se go botse. Ngisaphinda futhi ngithi ralukela khule le Clement. And it ungutshela ke ungaphinduzela. Uyangizwa Kenny? Ungaphindula ibhadi inyawo lakho la kwami. Khuzeka mfana, khuzeka.
I was never asked to pay a bribe to get this job.
Now, what's one of the Mr. Mawang? Pila ka go abiswa mo interview.
Chair.
Na re ka dia dinya ke shisho. Re ka swishe motlhala gore wena o bo bolela le yena. Goba o mongwe wa motswalle. pele ga
Ma'am, to be quite honest, my interview process was above board. Mr. Mahonga here has been nothing but professional ever since I got here.
All checks and vetting processes were completed with Mr. Kumane, which means whatever happened with Mr. Hadebe was an error on Mr. Mahonga's part. He got played by the fraudster we now know as Mr. Shongwe.
Why are you doing this?
What on earth is your issue? Why do you not want us to meet? What do you think is going to happen if we sit down and just have drinks?
Nothing is going to happen. You're not going to meet with her. Why must you always make things difficult?
I'm making things difficult. Oh, no. I've been doing everything that you've asked me to do. I've left you alone. I've let you go. I'm just doing me.
As rocking up at my place, basically naked, just before my wedding, your idea of leaving me alone?
No. But that was part of my process of letting you go.
Yeah, so just stand up a minute. Side.
Please,
This is my person.
Welcome to Level Cafe, Mrs. Maposa.
Oh, hey, babe. Whenever you're interested, but
My case is being postponed.
oh,
I hope my husband isn't trying to get cash our cocktail hour.
No, not at all. In fact, he just joined and I never mentioned anything about us meeting. He was telling me that you had plans to call me because you had some questions about Clement.
Oh, yes.
Also, I hope you don't have any intentions about officially discussing Clement as his doctor over cocktails.
Oh, no.
Okay,
As we agreed, this is off the record. Nothing official.
great.
Ngwana, o sepele ga behang ka moo. Ke nagana gore ke nako ya gore tšhele. Re mo reka mogare ga stew na kana ba.
Hi. Well, let's help him what I got us to.
Hexten home. Ono kom botjore ga sang kwa bona po mama dira dia.
Man. This thing carry coffee, carry pancake, carry cake, man. Got us to.
Oh, Murwa.
Papa, got us semo.
Manaka, Krimora, it's an award. Karagas chew. Boko Papa, I should be shakana for George.
And that's what can I do make a scene like what I'm pregnant. And did you like the recipe jack creamer? So I got you.
Papa, what's the matter next time? Auntie, I'm putting Krimora, Kenny.
I can't let me go for 70.
77 to be exact.
77.
Even though when it's written just on the box. Love it?
Ah, there.
Yeah.
77.
Wow.
The testimony of the previous witness. Abogon Shitabin. Logana bile garatla mo go bane Mr. Kumane a sentselina la school.
True, and I admit that I didn't do due diligence as far as Mr. Shongwe, Mr. Kadebe is concerned. And I'm sorry about that, and I'm sorry that I wasted everyone else's time. But, I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and here's my resignation letter. But you did that for you didn't appreciate it. It's a reputation, and I know I made a mistake by not doing final checks on Mr. Shaw. I'm sorry.
And those final checks were not the sole responsibility of Mr. Mahonga alone. This disciplinary management unit should also look at how they can investigate whoever was also involved in bribes.
Mr. Papi, o ka ska ba botsa lekgotla gore le dire dinyekišo tša lona bjang? No.
Goreng le sa amogele resignation letter, Mr. Mago?
Na o tišitše gore o nyaka one bago mošomo pele ga ge dipeelo tša disciplinary di tšwa. Gape o ka fenya gomme ditatofatšo tša tšhollwa. O ba o nyaka go nagana ka yona gabotse?
No, ke a tseba gore o nka no bina ka lesome, so no, ke fedisele pelo ya ka.
You know what? I'm gonna be the laughing stock in this department. Ever since my doomed relationship with Kwesi, I haven't managed to solve a single case. You know what? I'm gonna be that investigator that everyone feels sorry for. Kibi, what are you doing? I mean, it's the end of our shift. Why bring me coffee?
Because we are not going home anytime soon. Some CCTV footage has been shared with me by more security in Newtown. No, they've been very cooperative ever since the Gumede case. Well, what are you waiting for? Put the flash into your computer. You like what you see.
Okay. Let's see. What?
Check the timestamp there. The picture was taken some days before the victim was found dead. You know, if foul play is proven here, we might be staring at the warden's final moment. And his killer.
You know what? Maybe that would explain why Clement was so terrified of Molo at level. Great work, TP. This might just be the breakthrough that I needed.
Ole Skeem, ole le sika, ole le fika, fela re Skeem me out. Never nipile monopoly ni la bufelo, me tlotlo ya hago jewa mogo ga di table, like who's gonna take over? Dimana ka se survive the changeover, but I proved them all wrong as a soldier dawn. Some wrote songs, I kept quiet and told my team hold on. Limo le fifin, can tap I'm on the rhyming and follow where the sound lead. And I can do without your favorite beat me, Cuddy Peanuts, I'm a jitty quarter to my heartbeat. Tintuana tenyane kasi ba febule ma bare pampita samane mare ki difita puo ka go rwala motswako le gete lame. Ke le tabogi kori ya me matarela track like left time e ditsisitswe ka ma man. Na before on try di post go ba we tolerate di tolerate. Bona fela ba batla go mphetola di. Bona fela bangwe bare ke rata di. Bona fela banga dile ke ja camino. Bona fela mathata budula sitilo. Bona fela ba batla go mphetola di. Bona fela bangwe bare ke rata di. Bona fela banga dile ke ja camino. Bona fela mathata budula sitilo.